In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable tipping options within your Shopify store's checkout process. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be ready to offer your customers the opportunity to add a tip during checkout, which can be a great way to support your business and acknowledge exceptional service. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a glance over to the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the gear icon. This represents your settings. Go ahead and click on it. The settings menu is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Shopify store, allowing you to tailor the shopping experience to your business needs. Next, we want to focus on the checkout settings. On the left-hand side of the settings menu, you'll find the option labeled Checkouts. Click on it, and this will bring you to a page where you can manage everything related to the checkout process, from customer information options to order processing, really the nuts and bolts of customer transactions. Now here comes the part where we enable the tipping option. As you scroll down this checkout page, keep an eye out for a section called Tipping. It might take a few seconds of scrolling to find it, but once you do, it's a straightforward process from there. Within the tipping section, you'll see an option to show tipping options at checkout. Make sure to enable this setting. By doing so, you're adding a functionality that allows customers to show their appreciation for your service in a very tangible way. It could also provide a small yet welcome boost to your overall revenue. After you've enabled tipping, you can decide on the preset percentages you want to offer your customers. These preset options make it easy for your customers to add a tip with just a click or tap. Commonly used increments are 10%, 15%, and 20%, but feel free to customize them to fit your preferences and business strategy. Once you've configured the tipping settings to your liking, don't forget the final crucial step. Click on the Save button located above to lock in all the changes you've just made. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's essential to ensure everything takes effect. And that's all there is to it. With the tipping option enabled, your Shopify store is now equipped to handle customer tips during checkout. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also provides a practical appreciation method for all the hard work you put into your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any additional questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy selling!